Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys previously activate the floating keyboard feature and no longer use it, so you must turn off this floating keyboard so that it changes to regular keyboard. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first, now you can show your own keyboard. And so yeah, here's the keyboard still on the floating mode. To turn it off, you can press the bottom line and drag it down until it changes to a regular keyboard like this. And then the second tutorial is now you can click on the top left and then you can click to the floating keyboard to turn off the floating keyboard mode. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.